Welcome back to Lost in the Curve. This time I'm going to work on a horizontal holding clamp. I call it from pony clamp to super dog. Roll music. From pony clamp to super dog. Hope y'all enjoyed this. It's going to come in handy for me for jigsaw work and drilling, where you can have both hands available to hold your jigsaw or your drill if you need it. I've even used these before for a regular vise. Just drill a hole through the rail of your work table and you can use your tabletop as the other end of the clamp. So they come in handy, not just for putting large glue ups together. So y'all take care. Come on back to Lost in the Curve. Be sure and share, subscribe, comment, thumbs up if you like it, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.